Hey guys, welcome back. This is the video which will be covering the insides of box 5 and box 6 of 13. I tried to clean up the mess a little bit, the styrofoam residue from the previous unboxings. So yeah, here we go. Nice of you guys to join me back again. At the time of recording this video, the poll, which can be found in the community tab on the channel, had a voting of one person preferring me to just shut up already and go through the comics faster than I normally do, and two people had put out a vote saying that they like the longer versions with a little bit of commentary and just some music in the background. So this video will be published as such. And if you prefer differently or would like me to continue doing it with commentary, then cast your vote in the community tab on the poll covering these boxes. And yeah, just let me know what your preference is. So this is the first box of today. Same story, opened in the middle a little bit, some styrofoam on the sides, and a shitload of comics on the inside. So, remove this one. The next stack. And then the final one. Remove the empty box, and here we go. Put the stack of comics in the middle. Just gonna put the full stack here, and then remove the stacks on the side once they get too high. First off, we have a nice Walt Simonson cover of the Mighty Thor fighting Fin Fang Foom. And then I think this is Ron Friends. Yeah. Issue 379, issue 444 of the Mighty Thor, Volume 1. Then we have a She comic, which is a version of the comic I did not have yet. So I'm not entirely sure which variant this is. Oh, okay, so it's a homage to a different cover, because this is a different series of She, or Shy, or however you pronounce it. And then in the same bag we have She Vampirella, which I did not have yet, so that's very nice. And then we have Flash comic, issue number 0, drawn by Mike Wieringo, which who has a specific style which I like it. Then we have a Deathstroke annual number 2, Deathstroke issue number 0. Then we have another She, Shy, issue number 7, and issue number 2 of the Rikishi series. And this is, I think this issue number 7 is the regular series. Then we have a She Manga 2000. I'm not a big fan of manga art, but I like She, so I figured I'd just get this one. Then we have Age of Apocalypse, the limited series, issue number 1 and issue number 2. Drawn by one of my favorites, Chris Pacello. Issue number 3 and issue number 4. Then we have a Wolverine Prestige edition, Night of Terror. Old Man Logan 35. Justice League versus the Power Rangers, issue number 4. Marvel Your Universe Saga. I have no idea what this is, so let's just take it out. Okay, so it's a retelling of a certain storyline, I think, or a particular time in the Marvel Universe. Okay, cool. And also included official handbook of the Marvel Universe X-Men 2004. So let me just put that one back in again. Then we have an astonishing X-Men issue number 3 of the second volume. Classic Star Wars. Necroscope. Oh, is this? Yeah. Oh, wait. We also have a Rogue Limited Series issue 204 of the second volume of Rogue. Then we have Necroscope issue number 2. I like this cover. And issue number 4 of the Rogue Limited Series. Uncanny X-Men Volume 1 issue 292, 296, 288. Then X-Men published in 1991, or started publishing in 1991, issue number 10 and issue number 14, and issue number 26. X-Men Prime. Then we go into some of the Punishers, issue number 10. Batman Orpheus Rising, issue number 1. I don't know if it's a limited series or from a certain amount of parts, or if it's a one-shot, I'm not entirely sure. Then we have some Rorschach. DC Black Label, issue number 2. And another Rorschach. I think this might be a different run, but I'm not entirely sure about that. This is issue number 2. Witchblade 34. Spider-Man Unlimited number 2. Detective Comics 819 and 820 and 830. No, 853 and 821. 857 and 55. 859 and 58. 861 and 60. I'm just gonna take these away for a little bit. And then we have a Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man issue number 5 and issue number 8 and issue number 9, issue number 10, 12, and then we have some Spectacular Spider-Man, oh, just one, 218, and then we have another prestige format, Wolverine Reign of Terror. I think this might be one of the first Andy Kubert arts, actually, not entirely sure. Then we have RoboCop issue number 2 and RoboCop another. This is a prestige format, an adaptation of the movie RoboCop 2. So yeah, growing up I liked RoboCop movies, so I figured I might as well just get this. And I like the cover; it looked pretty cool to me. So. And then we have RoboCop 2 issue number 2. It's also an official adaptation of the hit film, so I think these go together, but I'm not entirely sure why this is a prestige format then. Could it be that this is actually a collected edition? 1990. And this one was published in September 1990. So I think this is actually issue number 1 and issue number 2 of the same series, but not entirely sure about that. And then we go back to some Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Mans, or one actually, and the New Warriors, issue number 67. Then The Legacy of Superman, a cover by Art Adams. And then we have a Zorro and a Wild Thing, which has got a little embossed cover on it. I don't think you can really see that, make that out, but it's actually embossed. So then we have a Cable issue number 13, a variant edition, and issue 14, and issue 13 second printing. So that's it for the first box. Quite a variety of titles, some 80s, some 90s, and some somewhere in the 2000s. And then we go to the next box. Open it up on the sides first and then go over to the top. There we go. I have to be careful in the middle. So, in case you wondered what the papers are, this is a shipment which came in from America, so it's kind of a hassle to order from Holland with import taxes and shipping costs. So what you can do is you can have some companies bundle your packages together and then ship them out all at once, and they included a little advertisement thingy. So that's what those little papers were. I'll look into it. I think they offer a little bit of discount for the next shipment or something like that. I'm gonna have to take a look at it later. Go the box and just keep on going. After removing a little bit of the styrofoam, there we go. So we start off with the Marvel Knights issue number 4, and then the Storm Limited series, and I think I finally got this one completed. Because there's going to be a couple of more issues in here. Issue number 7, issue number 9, but I'm not entirely sure. I might be missing one actually, I'm not entirely sure. Then we have an Uncanny X-Men issue 189. Official Handbook of the Ultimate Marvel Universe. Captain America Volume 4, issue number 14. And Official Handbook of the Marvel Universe 2004, Hulk 2004, Avengers 2005, Avengers, A to Z of the all-new Official Handbook of the Marvel Universe. Then we have some Mystique issues, or 1, issue number 2, Hulk and Thing issue number 3, Captain America issue volume 5 I think, issue number 19, Daredevil volume 2 issue 16, Daredevil Ninja number 1, Siege one shot of Captain America. Then we have a Fury with a pretty cool looking cover. I'm looking at this, might be Bill Sienkiewicz, but I'm not entirely sure. Looks pretty cool. Ant-Man's Big Christmas. Probably gonna be a one-shot, just for funsies. Then we have the Punisher issue number 1, Painkiller Jane, Aphrodite issue number 2, Daredevil volume 2 issue number 17, Batman number 17, Batman number 20, Batman number 19, Then we have a Wolverine Volume 3, issue number 5. Generation M number 4. Dark Wolverine, which is actually Volume 3 of Wolverine, issue number 81. Spider-Man Dead Man's Hand, issue number 1. X-Men Lost Tales, issue number 2. Spider-Man The Osborn Journal, issue number 1. Xavier Institute Alumni Yearbook, just for funsies. The Avengers Volume 2, issue number 8. Hobgoblin Lives Limited Series, Part 3. Nick Fury Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D., issue number 2. With Steranko cover art. Captain America, issue number 13. And Fantastic 5, issue number 2. Wolverine, issue 182, 183. Captain America, issue number 5. And Spider-Man Dr. Octopus Negative Exposure, issue number 1. Wolverine, issue number 19. Wolverines, number 9, 8, 7, and 6. Wolverine and the X-Men, issue number 8. Spider-Man Redemption, issue number 2. Incredible Hulk 447. Spectacular Spider-Man, issue number 239. Spider-Man Redemption number 3. Spider-Man issue number 2 of 7 of the Get Craven limited series, with of course an homage to the Jaws movie poster. And here we have issue number 1 of the same limited series. Then we have a Captain America issue number 301. Meridian issue number 25. Marvel Knights Special Edition. Spider-Woman Origin. Batman issue number 14. I think this is volume 3. And issue number 13. Issue 12. Issue 11. 18, and finally we have a 2006 New World issue number 5 of 5. Random issue. So yeah guys, that's it for this boxes 5 and 6. And I might be recording another one this evening, but I'm not entirely sure. It might be tomorrow. So yeah, thanks for joining me with this video. And yeah, see you for the next video. Later.